just feel like my nose is gone. Why is my nose gone? All right, whatever. Okay, so today I wanted to show you basically how to choose the right lip color. I'm gonna be doing nudes today just because you gotta start somewhere. So as you can probably see, I have kind of some warm shit going on here. I have a very warm color on my lid. It's kind of like a bronzy peach color. It's actually a bronzer that I used. I use that same bronzer on my cheeks. So I have a lot of warmth going. I'm wearing gold jewelry, I'm wearing a green top. So I wanted to show you how different tones of nude can look so that it can hopefully help you pick like the right tone for your makeup. It's not only about skin tone. I wear some cool tones on my eyes and also on my cheeks occasionally. I also wear like cool toned lips. Obviously choosing something that's going to be flattering on your skin tone is good, but if it doesn't totally work, like if I'm wearing a cool toned eye and I choose a very warm toned nude, it's gonna look weird. So I'm gonna basically like show you how, I'm gonna show you that today. So I have a few different nudes here. So you can see kind of like what colors we're going to be dealing with here. So clearly we have kind of a range from pink to peach to warmer to a little bit more cool toned. So first I want to show you how a very unflattering shade would look with this makeup look, with my background, with my gold jewelry, with all the warm tones that I have going right now. So I'm going to start off by lining my lips, and I'm going to be using LC Cosmetics Remarkable Lip Liner in the shade Blush, which is one of my favorite nude lip liners. All right, now this lip liner on its own is a beautiful nude. It's one of my favorite nudes. It's kind of on the rosy side, but it's actually still like kind of neutral, I guess. It's not too warm, which I really love. So now what I'm gonna do is go in with the Bobbi Brown Hippie Shake Rouge something something crushed liquid lip. So this is the color right here. As you can see, it's quite different from all the tones that I have going on. Fuck, I forgot how much I love that product. All right, if we just look at this lip on its own, stunning, right? Beautiful color, really pretty rosy shade. Formula, amazing, immaculate. But if we include everything that's going on in my face right now, you can see the warmth that I have in my cheeks. You can see the warmth that I have on my eyes. It very much matches my background color, okay? So while this lip isn't like super offensive, it's not a perfect match for this makeup look. Where are my makeup wipes? That is so cute. Using the same lip liner, so nothing's changed. We're still using that nice like neutral lip. I'm going to go in with a very warm nude. This is Vive by Vive Muse or Vive Beauty. I think it's called Vive Muse. This is Jamie Genevieve's brand. Oh my God. My cat is snoring. Oh my God, snoring so loud right now. Wait, you have to hear this, hold on. She's twitching like crazy. What a goof. All right, okay, so this is Vive, which is very much tones, right? Same sort of warmth. So if I was going to choose a lip color, it would be something along these lines for this makeup. Applying that like very rosy tone, again, it wasn't like an offensive color, but it didn't complement the color on my cheeks, the color on my eyes. Obviously my backdrop is like, duh, hello, kind of trying to like drive a point home here. You're not trying to match your makeup to your background. Most people, I don't think. But that's something to keep in mind. Okay. I know this looks crazy. So now I'm gonna go in with MAC Stone. I'm going to line my lips, take care of this whole situation. And then I'm gonna show you kind of an in-between. So, using MAC Stone. Clearly not a warm shade. It's actually a very cool toned greige, I would say. And now I'm going to go in with the MAC liquid lip color in Cafe Au Chic. Okay, this is Cafe Au Chic. this color right here. So, me personally, I think this is a fucking vibe. I'd do it. But if we compare it to the eye, it is much more cool toned. But it is more of a neutral. So unlike this color right here, the Bobbi Brown shade, which had a lot of rose in it, I think this works better. It's more of a statement, clearly. It's like edgy. I used to love these kinds of like greige colors. Now, it's not the most flattering on my skin tone. Kind of makes me look a little bit dead, but if you want to rock it, you can rock it. This is the kind of color that is going to be a little bit more versatile with warmth, in my opinion, on my skin tone. I just fixed the lip liner a little bit because it was pretty messy. I don't know if this is helpful, but I feel like I've received a lot of questions about how to pair certain like lip looks and how they look with eyeshadow. So here's what I'm gonna ask you. Do you want to see more videos like this? Would you like to see like how to pair a red lip with a smoky eye, or how to pair a nude lip with blue? I don't know, like insert whatever. Let me know. Keep in mind your skin tone. This is clearly not a color that is like super flattering on my skin tone, but I feel like I can get away with it. Just remember, it does help to choose all colors that are complementary for your skin tone. So if you have more warm undertones, or if you are a little bit more on the olive side, it's probably going to be a little more flattering to go towards things that are a little bit more warm. If you are cooler toned, if you have like pinker skin, blue undertones, you might want to go more towards this kind of a shade. Or if we're talking blush, this from ColourPop, which clearly does not flatter like my current look. You know, like I wouldn't choose this blush color with the tones that I have going on right now. Don't know if that helps. Can do more videos like this. This was totally on a whim. Would you expect anything different from me? If yes, you're giving me way too much credit. Okay, next time. Definitely into this lip though. It's like grunge goth chic, you know what I mean?